You're finally awake. Picky, what's going on here? Oh, I thought I might have a little guest. Oh, friends. Yes, friends. Or maybe best friends. Over for some cupcakes. Gummy thought it was a good idea. What? I thought Gummy was dead. Oh, yeah, I murdered him. Pinky, you what? That's insane. Insane? I'm not insane. Continue. Now, for you. Bring in the shiny light! The light, it burns. I really need to cause no harm but trouble. Just go and squeal or scream. Everything will be okay. Here we go. The pin will go into your heart.